Hello guys, it's me Khushal Khan Nasser, and today in this video I'm gonna tell that how to design such kind frame beam structure in the AxisVM. So here you can see here I have created this this is like a one frame beam, and this is second, third and fourth frame beam structure in the AxisVM. We have created two, we have put two hinge supports here, and then we put a load here, and then we put here the intermediate load, and here one side is the fixed, one side is the hinge. So here I change the sides, and here both sides are fixed. Sorry, both sides are hinge support, and here it's fixed. So you can see this small dot, this blue one, this is the intermediate, but these two dots, these are the hinge support that I put here. It's a bit far away, it is due to the graphics, but in reality this hinge support should be at the same point in the center. But now it's the graphics, it's not in the center, it's a bit away, but in reality they all are at the same point. So in this video I will tell you how to you can create this, and from here you can this minus 0.00670 radian. So here you can see the rotation of this at this point. So you can check all displacement x, horizontal displacement, and everything. So now I'm gonna teach you how to design this. So first of all, just open your AxisVM, and I have already opened, so I will start a new file. Okay, so new file, click here on front view, select your code. I will select Hungarian and Hungarian units. Okay, and click OK. So first of all, what you have to do, you just have to click on this line. So what should be the length? It should be the 4 meter. Okay, then the vertical height, then it should be 3 meter, and then 3 meter. Okay, oh sorry, that's not perfectly 3 meter. Oh shit. Okay, let's start again. This is 4 meter, then 3 meter. Okay, and then 3 meter again, and then 1 meter distance. Okay, and then again this is the 4 meter. So here we will put two supports, and this should be our intermediate hinge. We will make it, and here we will put one nodal or point load. Okay, so first of all you have to do this. Then you have just to go to the elements and put here you have to select both ends. Okay, and then click OK where you wanna support roller supports. Okay, or hinge support. So I want here my support, so I click these 2 points. Then it is in, you see, z and x axis. So x is our horizontal and z is our perpendicular. So we want to make here the hinge support. So hinge support has two reaction, one on the perpendicular z, and second they were horizontal x. So here and all other I will make 0 except these two. Okay, and then click OK. And here you can see now these two supports, or you can also convert one into hinge and the other into the roller, but I think that's okay, that's fine. And now just click on this freedom degree, that you have to define it for everything, for all the system you are making here. So click on the star, select all, and then click OK. And it's in xy, so my frame I will define here will be also in the same coordinate system, xy plane, and then click OK. After this, okay, what you have to do, you have to simply click on this and select all, and then okay, and then click on anywhere. Okay, then you have to define the material, like this your frame is made of what material, what kind of material. Okay, so beam, so we are making a frame beam, so frame we have created, select here beam, here the material. Okay, what should be the material? Go to the steel, and then select S235. Okay, and then click OK. And from the library, here you can select the I-beam and IPE, European I-beams, and we can select this IPE 200. That's okay, and then click OK. So now we have defined our material from which it should be made. And now what we have to do, we have to make the parallel copies of this. Okay, go here, click on this, and then select all, because we want to make a copy of this, and click OK. And now I want to place here distance 10, like spread by the distance. How many meters? 10 meter distance. Okay, why 10 meter? Because this is the 7 meter. So I will specify my point here, and then till here it will be 7, and then 3 more. So my when I will make a copy, so it will be 3 meters away from here, and it will start from here. So that's why I put here it 10. So you must select your distance very nicely. Click on the OK. Now you have to specify the points to copy, then move straight, come here straight. Okay, now I selected 10 meters. Till here it's 7. Okay, when I will move 3 more centimeters, so I can see here, this silver lines, these silver lines. Okay, so I can make my copy here. Okay, and these both are separated from each other by 3 meter distance. And now I want to make 2 more copies down here. So this is the 4 meter, so I will leave here 4 meter more. So total distance that will be 8. Okay, click here and then select all, press OK, and then it should be the 8 meter. Okay, because here it is 4 meter, and then I will make the copies 4 meters away from this, so that's why 8 meter. Then click OK. Now specify your point, Kosanam. Then specify your point. Okay, come down here. Okay, and select share. Okay, so now you can see we have created our 4 frame structures. Okay, so now click space. Okay, this is how we have created. Now we have to specify here the our intermediate hinge. Okay, this is our hinge. So what you have to do, simply click on this. First this is the hinge. One side should be the fixed, the other side should be the hinge, and then I will same case here. This should be the fixed, this should be the hinge. Now I will reverse it. This should be the hinge and this should be the fixed, and here both should be the hinge and here both should be the fixed. Okay, so now click here. If you select here the right side, okay, I will tell you what I mean. Okay, when you click on this, then go to the setup. Here you can set up your fixed. Okay, here you can select a hinge or what, or for the intermediate. Okay, so if you selected here the right side, okay, then you have to select here the hinge about y-axis on the left side. Why y-axis? This is our z is our perpendicular in this case, and x is our horizontal. So this is our coordinate system, and the rotation. Okay, where at which axis the beam should rotate? It should be along y-axis. So that's why the rotation should be always the third axis. So x is, z is our perpendicular, x is our horizontal, and the rotation will be along the y-axis. That's why. And then click OK, and then OK, and you can see here, this y dot. So it means we have created that one end is the hinge and the other is fixed, and it's a bit away from this intermediate hinge, because due to the graphic issues, but in reality it will be at the same point. So now in this case I will select the left side beam, and then go to the setup, and I will select here the hinge about y-axis, and then click OK. And here I will select this. Okay, and both sides should be the hinge. Okay, so in this case okay, here should be the hinge. Okay, and the other side should be the hinge as well. Click on this setup and about y-axis, and you can see here now we have created the fixed and hinge, hinge and fixed, hinge and hinge, and fixed and fixed. When there is nothing, it means both sides are fixed. Okay, so now we have to define the loads. Okay, you can also define the loads for this. When you are copying, then it will be copy automatically, but you can do it separately as well, it doesn't matter. Click on the nodal. Okay, where you want to put load. Okay, you can select all of them. Okay, and then click OK, and put here like -30. Okay, so here you can see the loads, and this is also the nice way, but I will tell you another way, like one more command. So that's why I will do on a different way. Click OK, here put -30. Okay, and now we have created a load for here, and we also want here the same load. So what we have to do, where you want a load, specify that point, click on the pickup, which load you want, a same load here. Okay, click on this, press OK, the same load is copied here. So in this way you can also copy your load. So this was the command I wanted to show you, and now I have just done it. Okay, pick up. Okay, pick up means you can copy the same things from one point to another point. So now you want to check here, is it okay everything or not? Just go to the static and learn the and run analysis for the model, and everything is okay. So now you can see everything, the details you have gotten. This is the z displacement, and you can see the horizontal displacement here for the values. I'll go to the diagram, and we put this intermediate hinge, and now we want to see the rotation. Okay, the rotation was along the y-axis, so I will go y-axis and radian, and radian means the rotation. So you can see here the rotation along y-axis. Okay, and you can go to the perspective mode, and you can go to the YZ mode. Okay, you can, but this is the like front view is the better one. So this is how you can create the frame structure, frame beam structure. Okay, and this was so easy. So for this video, that's all, and see you in the next video. Subscribe my channels, and if you have any question, do comment. I'll reply. So have a nice day. Bye bye.